In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show Notion tasks in Google Calendar. Here is the idea in plain terms. We'll use Notion Calendar as a unified layer that connects your Google Calendar accounts with your Notion databases. Once everything is linked, your Notion tasks will appear right on the calendar grid beside your Google events. So you can plan and time block your day in one place. Start by installing the Notion Calendar desktop app and signing in. Use the official download so you are on the latest version. Then open the app and complete the sign-in flow. If you already use Notion or Google Calendar, this part should feel familiar. Once you are in, take a quick look around so you know where settings and the sidebar are. Next, connect your Google Calendar account. Open Settings, find the Calendar Account section and choose to add your Google account. Approve the permissions so Notion Calendar can read your events. If you use multiple Google Calendars, pick the ones you want visible. You can always come back to toggle individual calendars on or off, which is helpful if your view starts to feel crowded. Now, connect your Notion workspace from the sidebar. Look for the Notion section and select Connect. Choose the workspace that holds your tasks and confirm access. Make sure you have permission to view the task database you plan to show if you can see it in Notion. You should be able to link it here. With your workspace connected, scroll to the bottom of the sidebar and click Add Notion Database. Select the task database you want displayed on the calendar. Notion Calendar looks for date properties, so pick a database that includes a date or due date field. If your tasks don't carry dates yet, add them in Notion first so they can land on the calendar correctly. After selecting the database, give it a moment to sync. You should now see your tasks appear on the calendar grid alongside your Google events. If something doesn't show up immediately, try refreshing the view or confirming that the database is toggled on in the sidebar. From here, you can drag a Notion task directly onto the calendar to time block it. Dropping it onto a day and time assigns that schedule to the task in Notion, helping you turn DOS into commitments. You can also resize the block to adjust duration, switch between day and week views for more precision, and use color coding from your calendars to keep everything readable. That's it. With these connections in place, you've created a single clean view for both events and tasks, making it much easier to plan your day and actually follow through. Thanks for watching.